Hello everyone folks. Well, the last battle for this board, for this amplifier on the PAM8406 chip. Its peculiarity is that it can work both in D-class mode and in AB class mode. To do this, it is enough to connect the 9th pin of the chip to the plus or minus power supply, depending on the selected mode. I have put out a switch for this purpose. Now AB class, and now D class with a characteristic noise. At the same time, current consumption is 240 milliamperes in AB class and 110 milliamperes in D class. But today we're going to torture it in AB class. Why? Because I want to check what it is capable of in this mode. As measuring equipment, we will use a F4318 tester on which we will look at the voltage. Pure sine wave and 1.5 volts on the scale. Oscilloscope screen, on it the voltage is a little overestimated, so we will focus exactly on the arrow tester. The chip is already hot. By the way, these are just volume controls for the left and right channels. Let's use the calculator and see that the output power is 0.56 watts per channel. And that's very little. What to do, guys? In the AB mode, it's weak at all. Let's give it a real frying. I'll raise the power supply voltage to 6 volts. The output is 1.9 volts. 7 volts power, 2 volts output. I turn the power supply up to 8 volts. And the protection starts to kick in. The amplifier switches on and off. It remains to be seen whether it's overheat or overvoltage protection. I turn the power down to 7 volts again. And all is well, the amplifier works. I'll try raising the voltage gently, 7.3 volts, and the protection kicks in. So it's harder to burn it than the other test subjects in this section. Let's find out how much power it can handle at 7 volts. 2.2 times 2.2 divided by 4, that's 1.2 watts. But I measured it in D class and it produced 3 watts. I will give my opinion on the sound quality of this amplifier. Compare it with this board on Yamaha chips, its crash test will also be on the channel. But I like this small amplifier better than Yamaha in terms of quality. Surprisingly, that's the end of it. For the first time in the history of the column, the last battle was not the last one for the amplifier, and it remained unharmed. I definitely give the amplifier a F. The link to buy it will be in the description of this video. Good luck to everyone, and see you all again.